Welcome back for your English class. Today we are going to write lesson number 9, A Birdhouse, in the classwork book. I hope you all are ready with your English classwork. Write today's date in the margin. Lesson 9, A Birdhouse. Next line, new words. Give numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the first word is balcony. Write number 1, balcony. Number 2, sparrows. Number 3, narrow. Number 4, twig. Number 5, peace. Number 6, straw. Number 7, down. Write 7 words: balcony, sparrows, narrow, twig, peace, straw, down. Go to the next page. Write number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 words. Number 8, bring. Number 9, grandma. Number 10, delighted. Number 11, fixed. Number 12, house. Number 13, bird. Number 14, enough. Number 15, scissors. Number 16, circle. Copy all these 16 words in your classwork book. Then we are going to write word meaning. Number 1, ledge. Ledge means a narrow shelf. Number 2, twig. A very thin branch of a tree. Number 3, straw. Thin dried stems of grass. And number 4, delighted means very happy. First copy the 16 words, then write word meaning. And today we are going to write fill in the blanks from this lessons. The question and answers we have already done in the course book, so we are going to only write few fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank. Radhika and Ankit made a dash house. So answer is bird house. Radhika and Ankit made a bird house. Number 2, dash helped them to make it. Who helped them? Grandma. Write the answer, grandma. Number 3, Radhika pasted the brown dash on it. Paper. The answer is paper. Number 4, the bird house was fixed on the wall. It was fixed on the wall in the balcony. So now you have to complete writing this fill in the blanks, sight words and word meaning in your classwork book. Question and answers are already given in your course book. So you are going to write in the course book and learn from there. I hope you have finished. If not, you can take a screenshot. Thank you, children. Next session, we are again going to start with your course book. Till then, take care.